How you guys doing? I'm Andy with Mighty Soldiers Trades.
And I'm Sarah.
And Sarah kicked my butt today.
Yeah.
Sarah, what did you get in your account today?
389%
of her daily profit target.
my daily profit target.
Which is 3.89% on the entire account.
Yeah.
And me, I got 151% of my daily profit target.
Yep.
So,
pretty good though, still.
Sarah destroyed me. Mostly what you traded was what? SPCE?
I also did IBIO and then GHSI.
So Sarah caught that bounce on SPCE. Mm-hmm. She caught the pullback that was pulled back against me in IBIO, putting herself in a much better trade than me.
Right.
I got such a tiny amount in IBIO because I just didn't want to wait it out no more. Mm-hmm. What's the other one?
GHSI.
GHSI, guys. GHSI, I mean, I saw this on the daily. It looked like it was consolidating really nice, bull flag sort of consolidation there. Mm-hmm. And, this thing, I wanted to put price alerts in, and then all of a sudden I called it. I said, here it goes, guys. And
yeah, and then we heard Charlie say something over the squawk about it, too, that it was hitting a high.
Right. So, I mean, to be up 1.5% on, on our account, and then her to be up, she's just killing it. Honestly, I just need to step aside. Looks like Sarah should take the reins.
I don't know. It's pretty stressful sometimes with them things.
Yeah, true.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's definitely.
I guess the trades I took though really weren't stressful because they weren't like really whippy and flying up or flying down. So. See,
Sarah doesn't like to mess around like I do. She doesn't like to be in these stressful situations. For some reason, I'm a glutton for punishment. I'm like, hey, let's poke this one. Yeah. Let's see what happens over here. I wonder what this price action is going to look like.
Right.
I will just honestly, sometimes I just buy things and like I really want to see. I'm interested to see how these things trade. That's my biggest thing. I'm enamored. I'm stuck wanting to know exactly what happens with these stocks, how it happens, why it happens, who got in, how many retails are there, how many institutional are there in there. Yeah, so Sarah, GHSI, IBIO, and SPCE. Me, I don't know. I have a long list of trades.
Well, I know, and I could have done way better on SPCE. Way better.
Yes. SPCE, to be honest with you, I think that thing could have one heck of a bounce. And congratulations to anybody who bought those puts, earlier. And, whoever may have grabbed the calls at the bottom even.
Maybe. I don't know.
Imagine if you would have grabbed calls instead of buying it and going long.
Yeah. Either way, I made some money, so I'm happy.
Yep. So what do we got?
IBIO, we traded, both of us, and then that one had news from yesterday that they did a Form 8K amended, so that's what was it with that. And then the other one that you traded was CODX with news. They did a 4.2 million registered direct offering priced at $9 a share.
Yeah, $9 a share. This thing's up at like 14, 11, 12, whatever it was. I was still thinking, there's no way. I mean, first of all, I know that this is CODX, this is CODX.
Right, but another reason I think, because I was trying to figure out, another reason why they're trading higher is because of the coronavirus. They make vaccines for like the Zika virus and other things, so that's another reason it's going up, because there's other stocks going up with it.
I'll tell you what, I don't care what it's trading up on. When it has an offering at $9 and it's CODX, I'm not really putting too much risk into something like that.
Right, because I know CODX is here.
I mean, if I was paper trading, I would grab that with as many shares as I could and just wait and go.
Yeah.
But trading that for real, that thing, every time I got in there, I tried to get out, it would pull down away. Every time I tried to get in, it'd pull up away. I mean, I had that happen to me so many times today. Yeah.
But you did good on it anyway, and I know that, I can't believe how high it was today, but yeah, it was pretty surprising.
And VXRT and IBIO, I told her those last night.
Yeah, and VXRT is another one that doesn't exactly have news, but they're a vaccine company for the coronavirus.
Now, guys, if I do put out any of these things that I'm talking about the night before, if I tweet them ever or anything, put out any sort of watch list, please understand this is not like something you should trade list. Like, this is just something that we're keeping an eye out, having alerts in, and seeing if the price action is what we need at that time. We are never ever wanting to put out something saying, okay, VXRT, definitely that thing's going to the moon tomorrow.
Right.
I have no idea if VXRT is going to play ball. I just know that that's what looks like it's going to play ball. So that's what I call out to her.
Yeah.
And one of these days, maybe I'll start putting those on my Twitter so everybody can get a chance to, check those out in the mornings. But sometimes I don't have any even.
Right. Yeah. So
Sometimes I'm just here, ready to hear whatever Charlie brings across the squawk. So
does pretty good for us though.
yeah,
so
just trade
it's
whatever's moving.
Yeah, and then I guess obviously
What's
there's
it
a lot
like?
of people keeping an eye on vaccine biotech stocks because of the coronavirus. So.
I didn't even get a chance to see GILD today. I really wanted to take a look, but I guess I'll check that out after the video.
Yeah, and then not to mention what stock was it? The APT, the one
APT, the masks.
They make protective stuff like the masks and stuff. So that's why
and
that
then
was going today.
the government, Trump, they're signing stuff and they're doing everything they can to put
Yeah.
money towards this coronavirus
Yeah.
thing. And they just bought a whole bunch of masks, I believe, yesterday. So
like
these are all things to take into consideration, you
Right.
know. And then, I've seen on Twitter that they're bumping up the price of masks. Masks that were $1 maybe selling for $3, $4 right now.
Isn't that
So
what happens when? Yeah.
that's people like to take advantage. I think that's not right. But
Right.
anyways,
And then the last stock we traded was APDN. They had news. They announced a receipt of international patents on its beacon secure optical molecular marker technologies.
normally I would not trade APDN the way the volume, the momentum it had, but it was on a really nice pullback, and I grabbed it, and it still gave me a hassle. It still slowed down. It put me into the tiniest amount of profit and just sat there, slowly moving, and I was just like, as soon as it finally gave me enough air to breathe, boom, I'm out. So took my profit and ran out of there. That was and honestly, it didn't really perform again after that, right?
No, I don't think so. No, not really at all.
So I did okay on that, and you can even see on the raindrop charts, you can see the volume is just not there where I bought it. I bought it down low on that pullback, and the upper part of that candle, which I'm not even sure I got to that point. I probably sold before it even got to the top of the candle here. Anyways,
Yeah.
if you guys will be able to see it here in the video somewhere. Alyssa puts it here, or maybe here, or both here and here. So yeah. Anyways, the up, down, zigzag, yeah, all that. You guys got exactly what I mean.
Yep.
Yeah, maybe I should just get into some chart videos and run my mouse along it so you guys can see actually what I'm talking about, instead of just blabbing from a chair and not really showing you guys much on the charts. I'm sure you guys would really appreciate seeing a lot more charts. So I'm gonna say it right now. I'm not sure when, but you guys are gonna get to see a lot more charts coming from us soon, not only on our Twitter, but also in the videos here in the YouTube.
Yeah, in the YouTube.
And we're thinking about posting our videos on other mediums as well. So we'll let you know about that too. Is that it?
That's all we traded today.
Hopefully you guys had an awesome day like we did. I know a lot of people in the chat, they profited today, even if they took one or two or just a couple trades. Even if you give back a little bit, as long as you're closing green, green is green.
Yeah.
And any day that we can stay above water and learn a little bit more about the market and grow, that is a day that I love. That's what I'm here for.
Right, and I think today was a busy day with the squawk. There's so many halts.
Oh, it was awesome.
And just a lot of different stocks going up. So this is the days that we love.
Yeah, this is it.
Stuff
I mean,
like
this was a party today. I think we got so wore out from the action. It was 11:19 a.m. and I said to Sarah, I'm like, Sarah, it's 11:19. She's like, feels like it's 2 or 3.
I know, it did.
Like,
It was
I wanted to
crazy.
go like sit down or relax or
Just-
chill or just
Yeah,
something.
got
It's
a little
just,
worn out today with everything. all
yeah,
the
it was
action.
so much action today. We actually got wore out. So trading can wear you out. What a workout, guys.
I know.
I don't know if it's a mental workout or the whole thing, but there was so much action and so much going on that me and her both were just like, oh, wow.
Yeah.
So yeah, today was great, guys. Hopefully you guys had as great of a day as us. And again, we appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for joining us.
Yep. Thanks for joining us. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Come check us out.
Come check us out. Hi, I'm Sarah with Mighty Soldiers Trades. We really appreciate your support. If you like that video, please like and subscribe. Thanks.